Shir is entitled The Earliest Form of Internet. The scientists have for a while been trying to make sense of how the body works exactly during exercise. So many complex movements that are going on, so much demand on the different organs. How is that all connected? Recently, they made some fascinating discoveries in this area. So the article, during exercise, a kind of internet awakes in our blood. In our blood. That's where the communication is going on. It says the following. For some time, scientists have suspected that the body's internal organs are as gossipy and socially entangled as any 8th grade classroom. They sense that the body's organs are all communicating to each other during exercise. And it says, it's thought that under the right conditions, fat cells chat with muscle cells and muscle cells whisper to brain cells, and everybody seems to want to be buddies with the liver. There's tremendous communication going on in the body. These interactions are especially abundant during exercise. I mean, it happens all the time, but especially during exercise when continued movement demands intricate coordination of many different systems within the body, including those that create cellular energy. They're realizing that the liver plays a major role over here in the communication system, and most of the vesicles, that is what's created during exercise, from the runners made a beeline for the animals' livers. When they checked this out in mice, that during exercise, something called vesicles are produced, and by the biological signals that were not obvious for insistent, that they direct them right to the liver. Why to the liver? So it says this journey made biological sense, since the liver helps to make energy during exercise. So the liver, they're beginning to understand more and more what the liver does. People say, what am I, chopped liver? You're putting someone down, you're comparing them to chopped liver? Not a bad put down at all. To praise that the liver is one of the most incredible organs in the body, complex. It's really number 2, right after the brain. There's no man-made livers, there's man-made hearts. No man-made livers at this point in history. The article finished off, in essence, the scientists had found exercise prompts the creation of vesicles that somehow know how to head for the liver and tell it to ramp up energy production. This study reveals a huge amount of complexity in the circulating blood during exercise that we might have previously underestimated. So the scientists beginning to grasp what's going on always during the body, and especially during exercise. There's been just so much communication. We talked about the internet, the 2000s, the incredible communication system that the internet is. And it is incredible as long as it's used for good things. Well, Hashem already created this in the human body. Constant communication, which scientists sensed over the years, but they're just beginning to get a real sense of what really is going on. That the body produces some vesicles during exercise, and then that's used to the liver. The liver is the key component here, which sends out all the messages. The body knows to go to the liver to pick up the messages, to tell the body to produce more of these, and somehow this harmony system keeps going. The more we learn about the body, the more we have to say Man Niflaot, the Niflaot Habore. And for the mitzvah of understanding Hashem's wonders, which leads to Avat Hashem and Yirat Hashem. Shalom.